Interserver is a US-based web host that's been in the game since 1999. Operating out of Secaucus, New Jersey, it offers pretty comprehensive product lines. Their story is one of the small businesses grown big, and doing it well enough to cover the world. Top advantages to working with Interserver. Interserver has long been known for offering pretty fast hosting packages. We regularly clock their time to first byte at under 200 milliseconds. Even better is their reliability, which is backed by a 99.9% uptime guarantee. This combines to give users a seamless and worry-free experience. Most plans here come with many freebies such as free site migration and SSL, access to SitePad, and more. Meanwhile, Interserver offers one of the cheapest unlimited hosting packages in the market. This starts at $2.50 per month for the first year, and renews at $7 per month after. There are also flexible virtual private server plans that start from as little as $6 per month. Interserver's 20-year business record is an admirable display of service quality. After-sales support is provided entirely by in-house staff,